Everyone, it's me, the Junior Marvelous. I am decided that I am going to change my photo picture on my YouTube channel. The one I had a long time when I think when we were still renting a room. Because I like that because I had a picture with Dumbo and Mickey. I decided to recancel it. I'll show it when I post it on the YouTube. So yeah. So the one you'll see on the YouTube is not gonna be me with holding the Dumbo and wearing my Mickey Mouse ears. I'm gonna change it now with me wearing a better, because I have now a beard. Because I'm still a teenager. So yeah. So I just want to tell you, so yeah, bye for now.